What's up guys, how you doing? Jake Nash, and today we have the Motorola One Vision. Now, this phone is a brand new phone from Motorola. It is an Android one, so let's take a look at the box. Accessories included is we have a headset, we have a back cover, and we have a film display on the phone. Now let's take a look at the back and see what we have here. Just peel this off a little bit. So we have a 48 megapixel sensor with the OIS. This is a really big thing on a budget device. We have a front camera with 25 megapixel or quad pixel. We're gonna check this out as well. We have a tall screen. It's a 21:9. So this is like the if you know the Sony, they have these new phones, Xperia 1 with the tall 21:9. This phone has it. So we can see how this next generation of screens is gonna be. It's just called Full HD Plus Cinema Vision. Now it's not an AMOLED screen. I think it's an LCD screen. We have a 128 gigabytes of storage UFS. So this is a good upgrade. Now, if you ask me what is the downside, it's not a 6 gigabyte of RAM. It's a 4 gigabytes of RAM. As you can see here, it says, there you go, 4 gigabytes of RAM. So let's take out the box and see what's inside. This is the phone straight in the box, and it's actually inside the cover case, which is like, yeah, look at it. Quick look, optical image stabilization, Full HD, secure and up-to-date Android One. So let's take out the cover on the phone. It's very, very sturdy, by the way. So this is the blue version. There's one is blue, one is like kind of brown colors. So I love this color. This color is beautiful. Now this is, I think this is metal. It's not plastic. Yeah, this is pure metal, and the back is a Gorilla Glass. But it's very, very nice. Very nice implementation here. As you can see, the quality is nice. Let's take a look at the top. So looking up the top, we have a headphone jack straight away. This is a good plus. We have a microphone. On the right side, we have a volume up and down and a textured power button. On the behind, we have the speaker grill over here. We have a USB Type-C and a microphone as well. And on the left side, we have the SIM card area where you can see there is also an SD card expansion. Now let's take another thing in the box. Let's put the phone over here. Before we go any further, let's take a look at the case. It's a plastic case. It's you know, flexible but kind of tough on the edges, so this is a good thing. What else we have on the box? We have the screen protector over here. Now because it has a punch hole, there's a punch hole over here. Nothing on the you know, on the thing. So we have also the this is the headset, called the headset. It's a earplugs, so earphones. So I don't know if it's a good quality. We haven't tested it out, but I see a microphone over here, which is really good. You know, it's kind of okayish quality. I love the box. It's like black and, you know, purple. It's a beautiful color. This is the, you know, the charger. We have, this is the SIM ejector tool. It's kind of weird to put it on the charger like this. It's a USB Type-C. Let's see the power of the charger over here. It says, what is it? Yeah. So if you look at it here, it's kind of tough to spot, but let me try to zoom in 3 times. Probably the Huawei is gonna help. Yeah, let me see. Yep. So we have a 3 amps, 9 volt, or 12 volt, 1.5 amps. So it's a fast charger. It is actually Qualcomm 3.0 fast charging, so it's gonna get you there. It's not an 18 watt, it's around 15 watts fast charger. So we have a battery of 3500 milliamp battery, so that's a good thing. Now, what do you know about this phone? The phone has a processor, so there's a reason why they didn't advertise about the processor. It's not a Snapdragon, It's a Samsung Exynos processor, 9000 something. It's the one used in the A7 series. So it's not the A7, excuse me. It's the one used with Samsung. So it's not the highest, but it's a 10 nanometer. So it's more economic way, type of processor. It's not the best GPU kind of processor, but certainly it's best for CPU. So you're not getting the Snapdragon processor here, and that's why they didn't actually advertise. However, you're getting the Android one, pure software updates, from Motorola. Probably they're gonna optimize this in the best way possible. So let's take a look at the back camera, guys. This is a 48 megapixel, and the way they implement is so close is very nice. So let's take a look at 48 megapixel, and the other one is it's an OIS. So this is a great camera. Anyways, thank you for guys for watching the video unboxing. I'm gonna test this phone later on and compare it with other 48 megapixel like Redmi Note 7 Pro and see how it actually performs. Thank you guys for watching the video, and see you guys later.